Hello, in this video I will tell you about managing orders in your website. Here you see the menu in your dashboard. You just click RestroPress and here you see orders. So click on orders, you see all the orders you received in your website. Here is the list of orders, the order number, customer name, order creation date, service date or service time, payment status is processing, and order status was pending. If you want to change order status here, so you click on this drop down and you select the accepted processing which you want to change your status. Okay, after this you click on the order number or customer name. You see the all order details of your customer. Here is your order detail, customer name, customer email, customer's phone number, and the service date. The service type chosen by the customer is pickup and service time chosen by the customer is 9 a.m. Here is the food item purchased by the customer. Create your own pizza. Medium size. Here is the price of this product and also the customer choose extra add-ons, which was green olives, onions, pepperoni. All these add-ons have an extra prices, so these prices add in your order. So total price is 19.50. Here is also display the total price of your order, the time of creation, the order, date of creation. Here is the processing, here is the payment status which was processing, or when the customer pay online, so it will convert it to paid. Okay, after you delivering your order, so you will here go here and click on this and change it to the completed. Okay, after changing this, click on save order, so the order status of your order was also updated. These are the changes of for your orders and seeing the details of your order. Thank you so much.